In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Adobe Acrobat Reader. So Acrobat Reader is a great application to go in, view and edit your PDF documents, and we can download this in just a couple of easy steps. Now, the very first thing you need to do is go and open up an internet browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, and you just need to type in Adobe Acrobat Reader and press enter. And then you can click on this top website here, which is adobe.com. Make sure you're on the official website. Now from this page, click on the big download now button. And there's two different types of Adobe Acrobat Reader. You have the free version, which is the one that we're going to be downloading. And you also have the Acrobat Pro. And this one here is a monthly subscription. It basically allows you to do different things to your PDF document, so you can edit your documents and things like that. So I'm just going to press download now to this free one. And then if you click on your downloads folder icon in the top right hand side, you should be able to see this installation file. We can go and click on this and then just wait a couple of minutes while it downloads Adobe Acrobat to your computer. It's a relatively small application, so this should only take a couple of minutes. And now all of the PDF documents on your computer should automatically open in Adobe Acrobat. Now, if they don't open straight away, you can always right click on your PDF document. You can press open with, click on choose another app, and then just select Adobe Acrobat from the list and click on always. So that's it guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.